We're just filling up the canister right now. And poke in this and tighten it up. The important part is that the hook thing, I'm putting it on the other side. It goes because it comes around and locks in place. See, I just do it right here. And it'll snap in and secure the tank to the stove. Snap. Next thing, you pump it up until there's resistance.
How many times do you have to pump up?
Until it resists. So one of the tricks to lighting this is that you don't want too much. Just light it. You'll hear it squirt a little bit out. As soon as it lights, just give it a little more. All you need is for this tube to heat up a lot. And once it's heated up, then it'll burn properly. So right now it's presently like completely off. We've just put it in, it collects in the little thing in the bottom. And we're just going to let it heat up. If you want to make it better, you can sort of angle it with the wind so that the pipe gets more flame. Give it a lid. It's almost ready to go now.